Hey guys, Adrian here with Redwater Dodge, the home of rig ready Rams. We buy Ram and we have rig ready approves. Right here is a 2018 Ram ProMaster City. These vans are sweet, they're nice, they're nimble, and they're a great workhorse to add to your fleet. So coming around here, you can see this one's pretty cool. It's all painted to match. So we got the painted mirror caps, and that's really about it actually. So we got nice wheels. We have door access on all sides. We have the partition, the vinyl floors. We have 2 shelving units in the back. I think that will close. Anyways, coming to the rear, we have barn doors. Good amount of space. Again, with the shelving units there, nice aluminum. We have another door here, so this side opens up just as the other side. Oh, I know what I did on the other side. Whoops. Anyways, so we got access to all corners. Tons of nice space in the driver's and passenger side here. Power locks and windows, all 4 corners. And, well, I guess there's no windows in the rear. 2 corners. We got a nice little radio, backup camera, Bluetooth. All the hands-free stuff is all built in, guys. So this thing's ready to go to work. So let's make this thing yours. 780-942-3629.